Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am the best messi in case you don't already know, and in today's video we're going to be installing a glueless wig unit. The wig we're going to be using today is from Queen Virgin Remy Hair. Alright, so I'm going ahead to show you how the hair looks like out of the box, what comes with the hair. It comes with the melting band, it comes with an edge brush, also comes with a wig of course. And baby, I love the quilt pattern of this wig. This is what the wig looks like, this is what the structure of the wig looks like. I'm just going ahead to show you guys that. I really love the fact that the elastic band comes with this grip at the back. This is going to make it sit more comfortable on your head. I love that. So I'm just going ahead to show you how it looks like straight out of the box. You can see how full this unit is. So this unit comes pre-plucked and it comes pre-cut. Okay, the only thing I did was bleach the knots, and this is what the wig is looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and section the hair. I'm gonna go ahead to section it so I can add my conditioner and water mix. This is just kind of get my curls popping. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead to see me do that, and I'm gonna do that in all the sections. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead to do is apply my 𝐂𝐿𝐴 Miracle Worker 14-in-1 serum. Okay, I'm going to go ahead to apply that thoroughly over the hair, and then I'm applying some water. This bigger container contains water. I have my water in the former big container because it just works better as a spray bottle, to be honest. All the spray bottles I have, I've gotten spoiled one way or the other, but that still works. So okay, so I'm going to go ahead to use my mousse and then apply it to the hair. Doing this just brought out the curl so good. Like, just look at that difference, guys. Can you literally see the difference? It's so amazing doing this procedure on this curly hair. I just really love the curling of this hair. I love how it curls. I love the curl pattern. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead to crunch that up to just kind of get the curls more popping. All right, so now we're moving on to another section, and then I'm going to kind of break down what I did better than that last explanation. So basically I sectioned the hair, then I went ahead with my 𝐂𝐿𝐴 spray, 𝐂𝐿𝐴 silky spray, sprayed that on it, then I applied water on it. Okay, so that's my conditioner and water mix. That's what I used for the conditioner and water mix. Then after that, I went ahead to finger detangle. Finger detangling is very important before you actually go ahead to brush. That's what I discovered, that like makes it a lot more easier than going ahead to brush it at first. So you can see me finger detangle here before I go ahead with my mousse, and then I now brush it out. And it's just very easy to do. Actually, it brings out the curls so nice. Okay, love that. So my lovelies, this is what the hair is looking like after we're done with that procedure. Just look at those curls, they are really popping. And I did go ahead to turn the hair to a center part. You know, it came with a side part as you saw earlier, but I went ahead to turn it to a middle part because I just wanted, I don't know, I just wanted that vibe. Okay, now I'm going in my hot comb just so I can lay it properly. All right, so I combed the hair back, and now we're going to go ahead to install. And all I'm doing here is just slicking back my edges. I don't know if I'm the only one this happens to, but once I have makeup on, if I'm slicking my edges, I kind of get those gunky stuff on my hair. So now I'm just gonna head to use a wipe to clean it while still slicking the hair back. I just don't like it staying on my hair because, you know. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead to slick our edges back. Nothing serious, we're not applying alcohol because this is a glueless install and it should be basic and very simple. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead to apply a wig cap. This is very optional also. All right, so wig cap, then we have our foundation on the pattern where the parts where we're going to apply the wig pattern. Okay, so it's the center part, so I have my foundation on the center part. But yeah, I don't think you have to, you know, use a foundation on all the wig cap basically, because that's waste of product since you're just putting it on the side where the pattern is. Okay, I hope that's explanatory. So I'm going to go ahead to wear the wig right now, and as you can see, as I'm putting it on, it's kind of a little bit bigger than me, and that's where the elastic band comes in. I just went ahead to kind of make it my perfect size. And baby, when I tell you that grip was gripping, I loved it. Like, you're literally going to see the difference once I'm done adjusting the wig cap, the elastic band the difference it was making as I was doing it. You could literally see the lace becoming like more invisible, right? Because it was just shrinking and shrinking. I really love it. It was stuck to my head. It wasn't moving. Like, it wasn't moving, and it wasn't uncomfortable at the same time. Okay, but you want to go ahead to reduce the elastic band, because sometimes you reduce your elastic band and then when you're out and about, you discover that it's way too tight and it's cutting out blood flow from your head. Okay, so you want to be careful with that. So I'm going to go ahead to use my wax stick, and then I'm just going to go ahead with my hot comb to kind of comb the hair backwards, get it out of my way, because I'm going to go ahead to use the melting band. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just getting it out of the way and laying it backwards. Okay, so lovely. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that mousse, the Lotta body wave mousse. I'm going to go ahead to apply it on the lace. This is very optional, or you can go ahead to use a sprit spray. Sprit spray will give you a longer hold. Okay, if that's what you're going for, it will give you a longer hold and it will give you a more laid lace. Okay, but I'm just going to go ahead to use mousse because I want this to be no glue, no gel, nothing. I'm just going ahead to show you how it looks like without anything, basically. So now I'm going to go ahead to define my curls once again. And baby, I just got this Lotta body wave Lotta body gel, and baby, it slaps. I'm not even gonna joke, it slaps. Like, the way it got this curls popping, I was like, what? I've been sleeping on it. I just picked it off the shelf and I just love how it pops the curls. But the thing is, it makes it strong. So if you don't like that scrunchy vibe, then it's not for you, because it's going to make it strong after it dries up. Okay, but it's going to keep the curls intact. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead to cut the hair to my face shape. I'm just going to go ahead to layer it a little bit and frame it to my face. You can go ahead to totally rock the hair this way if that's your vibe, but I just wanted it a little bit more shorter, and I wanted it to kind of fit my face frame. I didn't go ahead to cut so much. I just cut a little to my face frame and then a little bit off the length. I've been falling in love with like shorter hairs nowadays. That's very weird because I'm a lover of long hairs, but nowadays I just like the stress-free, nothing disturbing me kind of vibe, and I've been loving it. It's been working well for me. All right, so let me know in the comment section, which would you prefer, long or short? Let me know in the comment section down below. Hard to get, tease me, boy, I'm a Mr. Fred. Flirt, work for bread. So coy, take it slow to lead. Hurts, seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you. So my lovelies, after some minutes, give or take 10 to 15 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead to remove my melting band, and baby, like, the lace is lacing. I love that. So for me, I feel like to get the perfect glueless install is matching your foundation or whatever shade tint you use, matching it perfectly to your skin. I think that will really help your glueless install, like, period. It's gonna sink in once you have that match going on, and obviously your lace also, but that match is very important. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead to define my part. Nothing serious. I just went ahead to put a bit of concealer on that pattern, not too bright, not too overwhelming, just something very subtle. I really love how this look came out. I really love everything about this look. The length, love it. The curls, love it. Like, look at that shine, and that's from the Lotta body wave gel. That's the shine it gives. I'm literally in love with it. Okay, so let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, lovelies, for watching to the end of this video. And if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. Bye.